You guys asked for it. Here it is, an update on my skin after using Teami Tea tea infused oil for a solid 30 days. So you guys know I am all for the 30-day challenges. I've tried many of them. So let me just recap what I've been up to for the past 30 days. I've been to Florida, New York, Costa Rica. I've been working in and out of airplanes, and you guys know I have very stubborn skin. Not that those trips were stressful. Laying on a beach is not that stressful. But when I travel, my skin breaks out. The only thing that I have added to my routine is every morning and night I've been using this oil. And today I'm going to reveal whether or not it did help prevent acne and reduce inflammation. Here's what my skin looked like 30 days ago. Now, after using my tea infused oil morning and night, I want you guys to come in. I'm nervous. Come in close and take a look at my skin now. I have never in my life thought that I would ever shoot a YouTube video without any face makeup. I'm literally wearing no foundation. Did it look like I have makeup on? Because I don't. I'm wearing no foundation, no concealer, no powder, nothing. Don't get me wrong, I am not saying that I have perfect skin, so don't be so hard on me in the comments. So 30-day challenge reveal right here. Putting oil on your skin morning and night, did it reduce acne and help with inflammation? Yes. Honestly, I'm surprised. I would have never thought putting oil on your face would actually help the situation. I was actually nervous that I would have breakouts all over and be like pizza face and have 20 eyeballs on my forehead, but it actually did the opposite. So I'm stoked about that. I reached out to Teami Tea to let them know that I really did like the oil, and they sent me this box. So I thought we could open it together. More oil, haha. So they sent me another of the Sooth, which is the same one that I've been using for the past 30 days. And their new one. This one is supposed to help with dark spots. And it's so funny that they actually sent this to me because now that I've dealt with the acne issue of my skin, as you can see, I still suffer from dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So I'm actually excited to try this one. Whoa! it's just like this one, but orange. That's kind of cool. So this one's Repair, and it has chamomile in it. Chamomile flower helps fade spots, eliminate acne scars, and fight breakouts. 2 to 5 drops onto fingertips, best applied morning and night before bed. Let's see what this one's like. It's kind of cool that it's orange. Smells cool. Let's try it. Proof right here. I'm not wearing any makeup. Huh, goes on really nice. I like it so far. So now for the next 30 days, I'm gonna be using the Repair, but because they did send me an extra Soothe bottle, I would love to host a fun giveaway for you guys. I would love to give this bottle away to one of you guys who suffers with acne like I do, and I will select a lucky winner and send this bottle of Teami's Soothe tea infused oil to one of you guys, and I really hope that it helps your skin as much as it helped mine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be nice about my skin. I know it's not perfect, but in my head, it is clear and acne free, so I'm happy. I'll put all the details on how to enter my giveaway in the description box below, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. And also, let me know if you want me to do an update after using this for 30 days. So I will see all of you guys later. Bye.